everyone, I'm here at Submer's booth at Mobile World Congress 2023. I'm with the lovely Peter Cooper, who I'm sure you already know, and I'm joined with one of our new partners for our new fluid strategy. Hi, Eduardo from Shell.
Hi, Alex. Thanks very much for having me here today.
Thank you for being here. Can we start off with why Shell chose to get involved in scaling the rollout of immersion cooling?
Sure. We have at Shell multiple reasons to be stepping in this business. First of all, we ourselves were large users of on-premises and cloud-based solutions. So our team started to see from the first hand the challenges of this industry when using air cooling technology in high computing. And also our technology team always believed that through immersion cooling technology, it can be delivered high performance. Right. And third one, we at Shell, we always strive to develop innovative and sustainable solutions for our customers. So we have already multiple solutions, but going beyond, seeing the benefits that this technology brings to the industry. For example, not only helping the customers to reduce the energy consumption, the energy use, but also helping the systems to improve POEs. Additionally to the fact, this technology allows to use less water consumption in the premises. And on top, I think, the creating the platform for the heat generated for the IT parts and servers to be reused. It's really, the major factors that made us to believe in stepping in this business.
And what made you choose Submer in particular?
Well, at Shell, we are global leaders on friction and thermal fluids in thermal management. And we are enhancing our capabilities in learning from immersion cooling designs. And partnering with Submer, a global leader in immersion cooling technologies, will help us to provide first-class solutions for the customers, integrated solutions to the customers, not only enable sustainability aspects as well. So.
And Peter, from Submer's side, what would you say made us want us to partner with Shell?
So, firstly on the fluid side of things specifically, Shell were very strategic in getting in very early into immersion cooling. So they now have, at this point in time, a fluid product that's very mature, and beyond that, they have a lot of data to back up the things around reliability, performance, oxidation. So it made a very logical partnership in that sense. Beyond that, they're a company that offers more than fluid. They also offer fluid services, monitoring and recycling, and also their integrated energy offer, which is really the complete package for us and our technology.
So Eduardo, could you please elaborate on the fluid validation process we've been carrying out together?
Sure, Alex. As Peter mentioned, our Shell immersion cooling fluids, they reached like a maturity since when we started to develop. And they have been tested in several Submer systems already. And through this test, we learned a lot about the fluid performance and getting a lot of positive and results on material compatibility and oxidation stability, reproducible results, which make us able to provide a robust solution to the customers.
And so today, especially in our sustainability booth, we're hearing the word sustainable a lot. How does Shell plan on supporting data centers in their sustainability journey?
Sure, Alex. For us at Shell, we want not only to support the customers to reduce energy consumption through the immersion cooling technology in our partnership, but we also want to go beyond and offering, for example, supplying renewable energies to the data centers, either through solar power generation or wind power generation. So this is how, and we also have at Shell a complete sustainability team assessing and checking what can be offering to the customer according to the demand.
And Peter, sustainability is obviously something at the core of Submer. What would you say this new fluid strategy presents for us in this regard?
Yes, so I think the collaboration with Shell really, there are three parts to it with the sustainability. The first part is the services that they can offer today around fluid recycling, really, supporting that whole life cycle of the fluid, I think is really interesting for a lot of our customers. The second part is they have a really ambitious fluid roadmap. So they're looking at making more and more sustainable fluids bases over time, which I think is also very exciting from a customer point of view. And the third part is like what Edu mentioned around around having a complete offer to the customer in terms of the renewable energy, right? So they are today already converting data centers to 100% renewable energy. So I think it's really logical for them and us to collaborate and offer immersion cooling as a way of also reducing the energy use of those same data centers.
And so we've arrived at my last question for you both. Eduardo, from Shell's perspective, what's your ideal scenario for this collaboration in a year's time, let's say?
I think the next 1 or 2 years will be really crucial for this industry, because I believe we'll start to see the tipping point where the data center operators in the industry start to really face the challenge to reach with the cooling efficiency and also to meet the emission targets. So this is coming more and more, and I think this will be one of the triggers for the adoption of this technology. But in the next year, I think through our collaboration, I really see that, and I believe that we can help the industry to make immersion cooling technology the must-have technology in the industry. So.
And Peter, what would you say Submer would like to see?
So I think within the next year or so, it's all going to be about the megawatt scale adoption of immersion, I think. And right now, we actually have several projects with Shell and with our customers to validate some of those megawatt scale projects. And so over the next year, I think that's just going to start expanding more and more, right? As more people come to the table. There are lots of data centers being rolled out today that have to have an immersion component, if not entirely immersion. And when you're looking at doing that at scale, it's logical to be working alongside someone like Shell.
Okay, I think that covers everything we need to know so far about our partnership. Thank you very much for your time, both of you. And if you'd like to stay up to date with what Submer and Shell have in store, be sure to follow both of us on our social media channels. See you next time.
Thank you very much.
Submer, data centers that make sense.